St. Clair Shores, leaky basement, block wall. It's a beautiful day to saw cut concrete and sniff some silica dust. A newer piece. I didn't want to bring it out that far, so we're going to go that route. Hey, whatever you say, Marky. Okay. That's what I said, bitch. There's a crack there. I dug it down a few days ago. This is the back corner. So there's going to be something open down there. 1, 2 cracks, crack parging, spalled deteriorated bricks, brick ledge, something. Gets a lot of water in here. There's quite a bit of mold inside. That's the old stuff. And this was the replacement. Okay. Night night.